Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. This is the continued video for the yesterday's class. We are in miscellaneous questions on topic inverse trigonometry functions. So let us have a discussion the question here. So cot inverse of square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x by square root of 1 plus sin x by minus square root of 1 minus sin x. See how we are going to prove this value as x by 2. So first 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x common terms are there. So is there any simplification for that 1 plus sin x? So first we need to see about that. 1 plus sin x I am considering, which is equal to 1 sin x in terms of half angles we are going to write, say by using multiples of multiples. 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Similarly, 1 also cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 we are going to write. Plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will be a plus b whole square only, no? We can write it as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Similarly, 1 minus sin x also we can write like this. 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, which is equal to cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Again it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So wherever root 1 plus sin x, root 1 minus sin x is there, you have to replace with these values. So LHS now cot inverse of root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus cos sin x divided by root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. So this LHS value we are going to convert in terms of cot terms. So cot inverse of root over 1 plus cos sin x value is what? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square plus root over cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by, and here one more information is there. So, sir, why can't write sin x minus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2? Why can't we write like this? If you draw the curve, cos x is always greater than sin x. That is the reason you will get it, dear students. So, here also cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus not a problem. Whenever it is minus, then only we can get it a confusion. So, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So square root to square root all cancel. You will get cot inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus of minus. Okay, yes, students. Minus sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2. So cot inverse of cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2, 2 cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2, 2 sin x by 2, 2 get cancelled. So cot inverse of cos by sin, cot x by 2. So cot inverse of cot theta is theta. Theta means what here, x by 2, which is required RHS. I hope everyone understand this, students. We'll move on to another set of questions. We go to another set of questions. Tan inverse of root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x by root 1 plus x plus root 1 plus 1 minus x is equal to, they are asking to prove 4 by 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse of x. This x value lies between minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1 and hint is given. What hint is given? Hint it is given in the question itself. But in exam they would give. Put x is equal to cos 2 theta. So here, first x value they are giving hint, no? So take that. Put x is equal to cos 2 theta. That implies that 2 theta equal to cos inverse of x. That also implies that theta equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of x. So from x we got theta value. Next 1 plus x and 1 minus x values we can calculate the difference. 1 plus x, that is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Next root, if we take suppose root over 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So which is equal to root 2 into cos square theta. Root means you will get cos theta only, no? So root of 1 minus x equal to root 1 minus cos 2 theta, which is equal to root 1 minus cos 2x, 2 sin square x. So 2 sin square theta we can write it, which is equal to root 2 into sin theta. After simplifying these values, consider that LHS. Now LHS I am taking the exponents. So tan inverse of root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x by root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x. Tan inverse of root 1 plus x value is what? Root cos theta. Root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta whole divided by root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. So root 2 take common and root 2 take common and simplify. So tan inverse of cos theta root 2, if you take out common, you will get it as cancel the term. Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. But we know that whenever it is in this, in earlier classes, we already learned about cos theta minus and otherwise one more step I will make according to our convenience. Cos theta, if we take out common, 1 minus sin theta by cos theta only, no? Whole divided by cos theta, if we take out common from denominator, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So these two will be cancelled. Tan inverse of 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Even here also we have formula, dear friends. Tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to, we have standard formula, 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So wherever 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is there, you replace with this value. So tan inverse of pi by 4 minus theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. So you will get here pi by 4 minus theta. That is equal to pi by 4 minus theta means 1 by 2 sin cos inverse of, here theta value given, 1 by, we got it here, cos inverse of x, which is required RHS distance. Is it there in RHS or not? Pi by 4 minus half cos inverse x. I hope everyone understands this difference. We'll move on to another set of questions. I'm going to wrap this and we will move to another questions. The coming question is good question, so conceptually. Why? Because we need to get some idea to solve a problem. The question is, prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sine inverse of 2 root 2 divided by 2. So how this we can? So first you have to consider LHS, dear students. Nine pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 into sine inverse of 1 by 3. From these two terms, if you observe carefully, 9 by 4 is common. So take out common 9 by 4 and write the rest of the terms. So is it equal to 9 by 4? If we take out common, is it equal to pi by 2? Yes, pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 3. Okay. Till here everyone got it? Just think about how anyone. Yeah, already two students they till now they are watching, again they went off from the live session. You can join and you can subscribe and watch, dear friends or my dear students. 9 by 4. This pi by 2 we can write it as, is it equal to sine inverse 1 or not? Minus sine inverse of 1 by 3. We have the formula sine inverse x minus sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square minus y into root of 1 minus x square. Are you getting all of you? So x is 1, y is 1 by 3. You will get it as 9 by 4 into sine inverse of x means 1 into root of 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square minus y means 1 by 3 into root of 1 minus 1. So which is equal to 9 by 4 into sine inverse of 9 minus 1 8. So root 8 by 3 9 minus the sign 0. So 9 by 4 sine inverse of root over 4 into 2 divided by 9. So 9 by 4 sine inverse of 4 bring outside 2 will come as it is root 2 by 9 will bring outside means 3. So this is required RHS or not? So we got the answer, yes students. It is required RHS. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another set of questions. Yeah, those who are watching, please like and share, then it will be useful. It will be helping for me directly, dear friends. It reaches to more students also. And here 12 questions completed. I think if the 4 or 5 questions are there, that also will finish it in this session. Till now question number 12 completed. Now question number 3. Solve the following. Solve the following. Question number 13. 2 tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. Next question number 14. Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to half into tan inverse of x when x is greater than 0. So these are the questions, 13 and 14 questions. See the first question here. 2 tan inverse x, we know the formula. 2 tan inverse x means what? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So tan inverse of 2x means what here? Cos x by 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse of 2 into cosecant x, we can write it as 1 by sin x. So both the tan inverse x functions are equal. So we are going to equate their elements. So that means 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x is equal to 2 by sin x. So 2 get cancelled. Cross multiplying cos x into sin x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So cos x into sin x is equal to sin square x. Sin square x bring the side, cos x into sin x minus sin square x is equal to 0. So sin x, if we take out common, cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So sin x equal to 0, that implies that x is equal to 0. We will check that values, so which option is going to get correct. Cos x minus sin x equal to 0, that implies sin x is equal to cos x. That implies sin x by cos x is equal to 1. So that implies that tan x is equal to 1. Tan x, when it will be equal to 1, when x is equal to pi by 4. So among these options, which option is going to get correct? x is equal to 0, substitute in this. Cos 0 is what? 1. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Pi by 4 into 2 is pi by 2. So if you substitute x is equal to 0, cosecant 0 is infinity. Tan inverse of infinity means what? So x is equal to 0. If we substitute in this equations here or here. So x is equal to pi by 4 if you substitute. X is equal to pi by 4 in this. 1 by root 2 will come here. Tan inverse of 1 by root 2 we will know. X is equal to pi by 4 if you substitute, root 2 will come. But 2 tan inverse root 2. This is 1 by root 2, no? So 2 tan inverse of 1 by root 2, this will equal by applying 2 tan inverse x formula. Sin x is equal to pi by 4 is going to get correct answer. X is equal to 0 if you substitute. LHS is not equal to RHS just for this. X is equal to 0. Substitute in the LHS and RHS. Infinity. Inverse infinity is pi by 2. So cos 0 is 1, no? 1. 2 into pi by 4. Pi by 2. So these are the solutions, students. We will go through this question. To bring this side, 2 tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to tan inverse of x. Once again, I will see the question whether the conditions are given for the question or not. Here there is no condition. It is given as 2 tan inverse of cos x by tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. That's all it is given. So in the question number 13, x is equal to pi by 4 only given answer. Why? Because x is equal to 0 does not satisfy both LHS and RHS. That's why. Yeah, we move to the other. Anyway. 2 tan inverse means tan inverse of two into 1 minus x by 1 plus x by 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square is equal to tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of 2 into 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 minus x square by 1 plus x whole square is equal to tan inverse of x. So one of the 1 plus x cancel. So you will get tan inverse of 2 into 1 minus x by 1 into 1 plus x by, this is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. So 4 into x is equal to tan inverse of x. So more simplification here. Tan inverse of 2 into 1 minus x square, a plus b into a minus b, by 4x. 2 ones, 2 twos. Tan inverse of x. Comparing the values, inverse, these values, bracket values we are comparing. 1 minus x square by 2x is equal to x. That implies 1 minus x square equal to 2x square. 1 is equal to 3x square. So 1 by 3 is equal to x square. X is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Since given x is greater than 0, clearly they mentioned. So therefore the answer is x is equal to plus 1 by root 3, dear students. Okay, are you with me? So this is the way we can consider the value. questions. We'll move to another question now. The next question. Sine of tan inverse x mod x is less than 1. See how it is. First, sine of tan inverse of x. Put tan inverse x is equal to some theta. X is equal to tan theta. You draw the rough rectangle to triangle. X equal to tan theta means tan theta value x means x by 1. So obviously this is root of 1 plus x square only. No? X means what? 1. Tan theta definition is opposite by adjacent side. So we got it. So sin theta will become here. Tan inverse x equal to theta. What is sin theta from this figure? Opposite by hypotenuse only. X by root of 1 plus x square. So it is there in the fourth option, dear students. Now come to another question here. Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. So here what I am writing is sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So minus 2 sin inverse bring the sin inverse of 1 minus x equal to pi by 2. This value bring the side means plus 2 sin inverse of x. So we need to convert these values. Put 1 minus x side. Sin inverse of 1 minus x equal to alpha. That implies 1 minus x equal to sin alpha. Sin alpha definition means 1 minus x means 1 now. So here right angle triangle I am drawing. Here alpha equal to 1 minus x divided by 1 means here. So obviously here I am taking as y. So y square plus 1 minus x whole square is equal to 1 square. So y square plus this is not required for that. Why? Because I want sin alpha 1 minus x means cos alpha I want. So cos alpha equal to root of 1 minus x whole square. So root over 1 minus 1 plus x square minus 2x is equal to cos alpha. So root over 2x minus x square is equal to cos alpha. So sin alpha cos alpha is over. From here, sin inverse of x is equal to beta. That implies x is equal to sin beta. That implies root 1 minus x square is equal to cos beta. Okay. After getting up this result, substitute in this. Wherever sin inverse 1 by x is there, alpha equal to pi by 2 plus this is 2 beta. No? So taking sin on both sides. Sin alpha equal to sin of pi by 2 plus 2 beta. So sin alpha is equal to sin of pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. Cos 2 beta. So sin alpha value we know that sin alpha equal to cos 2 beta means cos square beta minus sin square beta. Not only this formula, whatever the formula if you want, we can substitute. Sin alpha equal to 1 minus x. No? Cos square beta, this value, cos square beta means 1 minus x square will come. Minus sin square beta, x square. So 1 minus x equal to 1 minus 2x square. So minus 2x square bring this side, plus 2x square minus x equal to 0. X into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0. 2x is equal to 1. X equal to 1 by 2. So, x equal to 0. X equal to 1 by 2. Both are the solutions of the given trigonometric equations. We'll move to another question and the last question in this session. From next class onwards, examples of this topic we will discuss. Examples before 2.1 exercise, before 2.2 exercise, after 2.2 exercise also we will discuss the students. Then complete concept of inverse trigonometry will be there in our channel. So we will be perfect in solving all the problems. Question number 17. Tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y is equal to. So first option pi by 2, second option pi by 3, third option pi by 4, fourth option minus 3 by 4. So we will verify. Just we need to apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Sorry, tan inverse x minus. Here we are going to apply the formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. If you apply this formula, you will get the answer, yes students. See, this is x, this is y. So tan inverse of x by y minus x minus y by x plus y whole divided by 1 plus x into x minus y by y into x plus y. So we need to simplify tan inverse of both the denominator and numerator LCM is x plus y into y. So x into x plus y minus y into x minus y. So come to the denominator, y into x plus y plus x into x minus y divided by x plus y into y. So both the denominators is going to get cancelled. So what are the remaining? Tan inverse of x into x is x square plus x into y xy minus xy plus y square whole divided by x into y xy plus y square plus x square minus xy. So here minus xy plus xy plus xy get cancelled. Tan inverse of x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square. So both also cancel. Tan inverse of 1. So tan inverse of 1 is equal to what? Pi by 4. So what is our answer in that? So third option is the right option, dear students. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and like. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind, Maths, Exam Side Mathematics by Pani.